thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, New Haven County, northern Westchester County, and southeastern New York until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reading, or near Newtown, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located just east of Waterbury. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bridgeport around 6:05 p.m. Trumbull around 6:25 p.m. Monroe around 6:40 p.m. Milford and Shelton around 6:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.